Hey guys, it's Melissa here with ShirtSpace, here today with a couple tips and tricks to help you navigate our site and find the products you're looking for. The first way is to use the search bar at the top of the page. You can use this for typing in a specific product code or just using a few keywords such as style, color, or a specific feature you are looking for. The next way is to use the brand page. This will help you know specific brands that we carry, along with clicking in and shopping all styles within these brands. Along with the brand page, you can also shop by category. From here, you can use the navigation on the left-hand side of the page to further narrow down the features you are looking for. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today to learn a few tips and tricks on how to navigate our site and to find the product you're looking for. Need more helpful tips like this? Click that subscribe button and have a great day.